Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Guess what time it is? It's time to open Boxycharm. This one is not Boxy Luxe, this is regular Boxycharm for April, and they usually have 4 or 5 full-size products for you to try, and it's only $21 a month. I got my box yesterday, but I didn't have time to record, so I have to wait an entire day to open my box, so I can't wait. I'm anxious. Let's open right now. So first thing is the value card or the theme card. So this month's theme is Peace, Love, and Boxy. That's cool. It's basically like a festival theme. Alright, so first thing I see is these brushes by Luxie. These are contour brushes. Brushes are very handy, and you know I'm using it all the time, so this is very useful. I love this and I love the color. These brushes are $28. So just these brushes pay for the whole box, really. Next thing is a liquid eyeliner by Beauty For Real. I can never get enough of eyeliners. I mean, I use them on a regular basis, so this is very handy. I'm definitely gonna use this. And this liner is $16. Next thing is a lip gloss by Steve Laurent. And let's open it up. Guys, look at this color. It's like a nude pink. I love it. So I'm definitely going to be using that as well. So pretty. This is so pretty. This Steve Laurent lip gloss is $22. Next thing is this Artist Couture Diamond Powder. I'm guessing this is powder for your face, and it probably gives you a glow. So right here, this is, you know what, I'm not gonna open it because I'm gonna make a mess. So I'm gonna put it right back in. I'm gonna try it later. Alright, this is the item I'm most excited about. It's Pure Festival Color Palette. Guys, look at these colors. There's a color called 24K Magic, and it is beautiful. I'm wearing something similar to this by Anastasia, and I love it. It's really pretty. This one is more glittery and sparkly. This is not like last time we got like a neutral palette. This is more like bright and sparkly and more metallic colors. This is something that you would go out, or you know, go to a concert, Coachella, Electric Zoo, or EDC. You know, EDC is coming up soon. Who's going? So what did you guys think? Which one was your favorite item? Comment below. Mine was this Pure Color Palette because I just love the colors, and I definitely love the gold color in there. So this was my favorite. If you guys want to check it out for yourself, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more. I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye bye.